What is low-code, no-code? Unlike conventional methods of making an application where developers have to program thousands of lines of code to create an application, low-code works by visually selecting the desired lines of pre-written code and dragging it to the intended locations on the screen, therefore removing the upfront work that usually bogs down the beginning of the conventional programming process. Advantages of low-code include developers do not need an extensive background in coding or programming. It requires a fraction of the amount of time to build an application compared to traditional coding methods, and pricing for top-tier low-code programs are very affordable for the majority of small and medium-sized businesses. Now for some disadvantages of low-code. Although not required, having a developer background is beneficial, as individuals usually fare better with low-code platforms when they have some type of coding experience. Another disadvantage is that since low-code focuses primarily on ease of use and speed, low-code platforms are commonly weaker in other areas, including the ability to scale the application and its performance. No-code, on the other hand, is aimed towards individuals without a developer background and also uses the drag-and-drop coding method. Since no-code does not require a programming background, people outside the IT department and teams commonly pursue this route when creating an application. No-code advantages include it's even more straightforward to use than low-code, and individuals can see the web page they're creating in real time. It's very efficient since individuals do not need to hand code anything, and therefore it's possible to put together an application in as little as a few hours. And oftentimes it's much cheaper than traditional coding methods because no-code allows businesses to forgo hiring developers, which are very costly. Instead, someone already employed by the company can likely develop the application at a fraction of the cost. Disadvantages of no-code include the templates that no-code platforms offer to help increase turnaround speed and reduce the learning curve also allow for less customization as a result. Security is also an issue for no-code platforms since the code is created and operated by another entity. Additionally, since no-code platforms govern the technology stack and the code is already made, users do not have much control or back-end knowledge over their application. Lastly, no-code platforms are notorious for making it very difficult to transfer an application to a new host platform. They can do this because no-code platforms provide and own the source code. This forces users to remain on the host platform unless they're willing to spend large sums of money. Interested in how Quantulus can help your business? Email us today at info@quantulus.com for more information, or visit us at www.quantulus.com. And be sure to follow us on LinkedIn, Twitter, and YouTube to stay up to date on all of our latest happenings.